weight all on his hands.
Dealing with Dvalishvili here, who's got an airborne.
Oh, nice. Oh, beautiful.
Slams him down and immediately goes.
Yes! Nice! Yes! Hold around the waist! Yes!
That body lock is for 2 here. That into round number 3, which is after this.
Start fighting down the ranks.
Not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. They hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see.
Here comes the left hook. They got the win left hook. Oh, big left again. Another takedown.
Big takedown from Dvalishvili.
Although he's got the net.
He's trying to keep his hands up there.
I can't tell if he's out. He's out.
Does he have 35 seconds left in him? Can Dvalishvili continue to fight? Gives the thumbs up, my goodness.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss off, forget it. I'll take a fast loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing, I'll regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.
Here comes the left hook. They got the win left hook.
And you know, he gets the nose on this.
He was.
Running
and
away.
now he's dominating on top here. But now these ground strike. One of the best rounds of the year.
As good as
Take these punches.
he's the round. Look at that.
Go all elbow. Elbow gets through. Punishing. Oh my God. Yeah.
Well, it's time for a warning.
Yeah.
You know, he did a good job of
I'm breaking a TV screen. All right, it didn't happen. Guys,
yeah.
it's
over now.
He's not defending those strikes.
But now he's done.
That'll do it. 7 in a row for Merab Dvalishvili.